possibly. Again, you know, painting it is quite a fiddly sort of thing. So I shall have to decide. What's today? Today's Wednesday, so it'd be Friday, wouldn't it? Yeah, so we might do this. So it might do it on stream, but it's a lot of preparation. So it's cleaning all the parts down. It literally is getting out isopropyl alcohol, cleaning all the plastic down, making sure that any scratches are filled in. It's also about sort of just taking the shine off the plastic with some wet and dry paper if I can find some. And preparing all of the parts ready to be painted. Then I'd have to set up the desk here to protect the desk and to put the fan unit on the desk as well, so that we don't get paint all over the place, and then start to spray all of these individual parts. Probably going to do it the same colour as I do the Scania, which is bright red. I like bright red. I might do it cyan, however, we shall see. And as before, all the electrical kits, so the lighting glasses, I'll be leaving off. Not going to put those or even paint them. That's so that I'll be able to mount some lights at some point in the future when I get around to it. I've got plenty of square ones, but I need to get some round ones, so that I can then put my own lighting kit in this. I don't really want to use the one that you can get for the manufacturer, because it takes up an awful lot of space. It's a really big thing, and it doesn't need to be. I mean, it literally sort of this sort of size. Here's a circuit board for it, and it's nah, I don't like that. I should be able to do it nice and tiny, a little tiny circuit board. So yes, that's for the next stream. However, lots of cleaning of parts. A relatively boring but a really important part. All of these plastic parts have got mold release on them, which is usually silicon based. Trying to spray paint on top of silicon is a bad idea, really bad idea. The surface finish you get off it is terrible. You get what calls fish eyes. Don't look very good. So it's going to be really clean. If you don't have things like isopropyl alcohol or some of the panel wipe type stuff, warm soapy water, lots of it. Lots of soap, and make sure you clean everything, inside, outside, and then you've got to leave it to, then got to rinse it off, then you've got to leave it to dry for quite some time, several hours. Isopropyl alcohol is not too bad, but you've still got to use a fair bit of it. Make sure you get everything clean, and that's probably what we'll be doing on the next stream. I'll take a look at that in a second. Let's have a look at that then, Wolfie. But apart from that, that's it for tonight. So we'll just bring this back up on into the window. So that's how far we've got. The next thing is, oh, these will have to come off now to be painted as well. But the whole of the front end to be painted before that gets assembled, and then the radio gets put in. Normal place for the radio to be mounted is in here. What I may do is mount it somewhere else, like in here, under there, or under here perhaps. Just from the point of view, it'll then allow me to maybe put more of a scale cabin, because with the radio in, there's not a lot of space. Not that the radios are that big, but maybe just something I'll do. We shall see. So, okay. Don't know what I'm looking at really, Wolfie, but they took over an awful lot of stuff in that way. Oh, okay, I can see. Okay, so if I look at the flags, I can see. I was looking at the colours, but it's the flags you've got to look at, isn't it? UK's got a bit more than I'd expect. Oh well, I'm glad you're enjoying it. If you ever do the strategy of seeing how UK would do on its own, let me know. That's going to be it for tonight. See you all again on Friday. Next stream Friday 7, hopefully Friday 7 PM UK time. That's 1800 hours GMT, where we will be preparing to paint. I don't think we'll get to any actual painting on Friday. In fact, I'll make it, we'll not be painting on Friday, I don't think. That allows me the weekend to set up to paint on Monday. So with that, thank you for watching. If you want to see any of the earlier parts of this build, there are some, I think, still available here on Twitch, but you can also see them all on YouTube, youtube.com/Zaragonart. There's a series there of all the build. It's been cut down into nice little 20-minute chunks, so you can skip through or just look at particular bits if you want. But it does mean there's 35 episodes so far. So they're not quick builds, aren't these? They're fun to build, but they do take several hours, a couple of days. As I say, thank you for watching. Hope I'll see you on Friday, and bye for now.